Okay, I realized the only thing worse than being in this train for a long time, oh, just as I start speaking, it goes. We will stop for like 15 minutes. From a very cloudy, a little bit cold morning here in Poznan. It's been a very long, past couple days, very long night. Cuba Libre, for all the people from Poznan, you know. But been a great time, but now, sadly enough, it's time to go. I've had a great time in Poznan. I will be back, I will be back, I will be back. But now, I gotta go. The longest trip ever. Oh man, I'm happy to be back here. Basically, when you come to Warsaw, you can drop your stuff off. Like by the ticket counter, there's a place where you can actually physically give your stuff, and they'll hold the stuff for you for I think a 24-hour period, but they close at like 9 or 10 o'clock at night or something. But then I was walking around and discovered these lockers here where you can hold them, and you guys can see the prices of them. Since you guys are always asking me the prices of everything, so it's about €4, and you put your stuff in a big locker. So definitely worth it, so you don't carry it around all day. But yeah, glad I discovered that. Happy to be back in Warsaw. It's crazy because I was just here a week ago, but it feels like I haven't been here in months. Months. My goodness, and I really cannot even explain to you guys how great it feels to be back here in Warsaw. And I've just been in Zloty, which is like the shopping center. Haven't even been outside yet to have my feet actually on the Warsaw grounds. Sorry, to have my feet like on the Warsaw grounds. And then try to decide what kind of plan I have for today, because literally coming here to Warsaw was literally like a last second decision. Well, I must say I am super exhausted. Since I signed up for that gym 2 days ago, doing 2-a-day workouts, not getting a lot of sleep, Cubana Libre or Cuba Libre in Poznan, all that stuff combined, and then a 4-hour train ride standing up. Oh man, I'm totally exhausted. But the kind of adrenaline of being here in Warsaw, if I don't get hit by a car, the adrenaline here of being back in Warsaw, I think is the only thing that is allowing me to still walk. But I'm trying to keep the storyline going. I'm trying. And this is me thinking ahead. Kind of right here, there's so much going on in this little street, like always. There's stuff going on, but it's kind of been one of those days. I'm super exhausted. I probably forgot to end the vlog, which is why I'm ending this thinking ahead while my brain is still working. Thank you guys all so much for everything. You guys comment, support, everything, and really means a lot to me. I never want you guys to forget that. I know it's loud and everything, but thank you so much. Sorry for the win, and I'll talk to you guys. And I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.